So the FAQs page used to be a separate template. We now just use a minimized layout, but make sure we specify that the content type is FAQs. So what an FAQ, frequently asked question, is basically it's a question that gets asked, and then you can link to it, further down in the page if you want to have them all in one page. Or there are two other options: link to a new page, or display all the information within an accordion. Okay, so I'll show you how to go and configure that. So FAQs are over here. You can choose to link lower in the page, link to a new page entirely where that FAQ is just on its own page, which can be helpful. It makes your site maybe have more pages with specific information on them that can be spidered. So maybe it's not just maybe you don't use these just for short questions, but maybe for more in-depth articles. I suppose you could use it that way, and then it links to a new page. The accordion style is another favorite that we've had in the system here for a while. If we go back here and we reload, here we are. Here's example FAQ1, and you can go. So that's the question, that's the answer. Question, answer. So people can just scan and then open up what their question and answer is. You can use this for a linear sort of set of questioning. What is my step one? How do I start? What is the next step? And then so people can read these in a sequence if you wish, and quite helpful. And then also, just like our other custom post types, you can have these grouped into categories. So you could have sales and service and so on and so forth. And you do that by way of going to the here, categories. You can have FAQ categories, and for example, you can have sales. Support. Now that we've added them in, when we go and so say for example FAQ1, we would put that into, what was it, sales. That's right, sales, add, hit update. And maybe we put this one into support. And then when we reload the page here, you're going to see it's divided into three sections: sales, support, and miscellaneous. So you can then, and the first one is always opened up first here for you, and then if you want to dig further here, you can. These will expand open as you see fit here. So as far as the layout is concerned, just like in our other tutorials that talk about this on a page-by-page basis, you can go and change the layout if you want to. So we could go to the this is currently using the minimized layout. It's a layout editor here. It is using the minimized layout, and just like whenever you make a change to the minimized layout, you could go and add other rows, other sidebars to this page. I think it looks really good the way it is, but we could go and make it a 2-column left if we want to. And that's kind of nice to use, and if you want to do that, we can just check the checkbox there and hit Save Changes. And by doing that, we just reload it, and here you go. That's using the same layout as the About Us page. Okay, and so just the same as we see there, and we've got all of our frequently asked questions there. And again, if you want to add more FAQs or delete the ones that are there, you can just click on over here and hit Add New, and then add your items in. Anyways, I hope that makes sense, and